Welcome to Peach Reality Model Viewer. Say Show Menu to open the menu.
Show menu.
Point your gaze at the object you wish to load and do the air tap gesture.
Okay, I can begin now. Great. So hello, I'm Tim, and in this video I'll be covering the recent additions we've made to our HoloLens application. And the first feature are tooltips, which you're going to see in a moment.
Congratulations, you've just loaded your first object. Choose one of the interaction modes from the menu by tapping on the buttons.
Okay, so you've seen this before, but now when you hover over buttons, you can see a description of each one in the form of tooltips. And the second addition are progress bars. So before, if you chose to, let's say, scale something, you couldn't tell what the maximum scale was and what the minimum scale was. And now, if you choose the scaling mode, you can see this toolbar which tells you the current scale and the restraints you have. Okay, great. And similar thing works for other modes, such as opacity, controlling mode, and the scrolling mode. Okay, here you can see that currently I'm viewing slice 0, and it shows me my progress. And also from the recent videos, you might have seen that the translation mode wasn't working. Now it is working perfectly, and now I can grab something, and it'll follow me around when I move. So I can move it here, and just walk around it. Okay, great. So the next feature, it's not quite apparent, but we have improved model loading. Sadly, it's still as slow as it used to be, but it's now more robust, and the quality of code is way better. Show menu. Okay. And also we have slightly improved the appearance of models. Okay, it's loading. Okay, great. So here's the model. If I rotate it. Okay, there are some issues with the textures for some reason. And yeah, we will fix that. So as I said before, you can now see the progress bars. Okay, let's make it smaller. And if I come closer, I can move it. Let's move it somewhere else. Okay, it's following me now. Great. Let's place it somewhere here. Actually, yeah, here will do. And let's load another model. Show menu. Okay, let's load, let's say this one. Something bad happened. Oh, okay, there it is. Okay, cool. So as you can see, this model is in the same space as the other one. And let's resize it a bit. Well, I'll rotate it first and then resize it. Cool. Okay, yeah, I guess it's better to remove the second one. So as you can see here, I also have the explosion mode, and before it didn't have any animations, but now it has some eased animations, which you'll see in a moment. Okay, great. So it's a bit more intuitive, I'd say. And opacity mode also has this progress bar, which tells you the current level of opacity. Okay, great. And now for data too. And when I combine everything back again, it will come back to its initial rotation and position. There you go. So yeah, this is pretty much it for the new features. And we have also refactored the code, so the architecture is now way better, and for future developers, it will also be easier to extend the code, as pretty much every single component we're using here is decoupled from the other ones and can be reused easily. Okay, thanks for watching.